When most people think about a car's heater, they assume it works the same way every vehicle has for decades. The engine warms up, hot coolant flows through the heater core, and warm air enters the cabin. That's true for conventional gasoline cars, but many Toyota hybrids work differently. Because the gasoline engine can shut off whenever it's not needed, there isn't always enough engine heat to warm the cabin. Instead of keeping the engine idling just to produce heat, many Toyota hybrids use a high-voltage electric cabin heater. Powered by the hybrid's high-voltage battery system, it can provide cabin heat even when the engine isn't running continuously. Most owners never know it's there because everything happens automatically. You simply set the temperature, and the hybrid system determines the most efficient way to keep the cabin comfortable while balancing energy use and fuel economy. This hidden component helps Toyota hybrids stay comfortable in cold weather without sacrificing efficiency. But it's also one of the least understood parts of the hybrid system, and if it fails, the repair can come as an expensive surprise. So how does this high-voltage heater actually produce heat? That's what we'll explore next. The way a Toyota hybrid heats the cabin depends on the model, but the objective is always the same: provide warmth while using as little fuel as possible. Many Toyota hybrids use a high-voltage PTC heater. Instead of relying on hot engine coolant, it converts electricity from the high-voltage battery into heat. A ceramic heating element warms up almost instantly, and the HVAC blower directs that heat into the cabin. As the heating element gets hotter, its electrical resistance naturally increases, reducing the amount of current it draws. This self-regulating design helps prevent overheating while allowing the system to adjust its heat output automatically. The hybrid control system also considers factors like cabin temperature, outside temperature, battery charge, and overall power demand. Depending on those conditions, it can rely primarily on the electric heater or start the gasoline engine to provide additional heat when needed. Some newer Toyota electrified models go a step further by using a heat pump. Instead of generating heat directly, a heat pump transfers heat from the outside air into the cabin, making it more energy efficient in mild weather. If temperatures become too cold for the heat pump to work effectively, the system can switch to the high-voltage PTC heater. All of this happens automatically. The driver simply sets the desired temperature, and the hybrid system selects the most efficient way to keep the cabin comfortable. One of the biggest misconceptions is that every Toyota hybrid uses the same cabin heating system. In reality, the design varies by model, generation, and powertrain. Many Toyota Hybrid Synergy drive models use a high-voltage electric heater to reduce reliance on engine heat. However, the type of heater and its role in warming the cabin can differ from one model to another. Earlier hybrids relied more on hot engine coolant, with the electric heater providing supplemental warmth during cold starts or while the engine was off. As Toyota's hybrid technology evolved and engines spent less time running, electric heating systems became more capable of maintaining cabin comfort on their own. Newer plug-in hybrids and battery electric models often use heat pumps, which transfer heat from the outside air instead of generating it directly. Some combine a heat pump with a high-voltage PTC heater, allowing the vehicle to switch between the two depending on temperature and heating demand. That's why two Toyota hybrids can behave differently on a cold morning. One may deliver warm air almost immediately, while another relies more on engine heat. These differences also mean replacement parts, repair procedures, and costs vary depending on the specific hybrid system your vehicle uses. The high-voltage cabin heater isn't expensive because it's simply a heating element. It's expensive because it's built into one of the most complex systems in the vehicle. Unlike components that operate on the 12-volt electrical system, this heater is connected to the hybrid's high-voltage circuit. Any diagnosis or replacement requires technicians who are trained to work safely around high-voltage equipment. Before any work begins, the system must be properly powered down and isolated to eliminate the risk of electric shock. Access is another major reason repair bills climb quickly. On many Toyota hybrids, the heater is buried deep within the HVAC housing behind the dashboard. Reaching it can involve removing large sections of the interior, including trim panels, the center console, and in some cases, much of the dashboard itself. The labor involved often exceeds the cost of the heater assembly. Diagnosis also takes time because poor cabin heating doesn't automatically mean the heater has failed. A technician must determine whether the problem is the heater itself, the hybrid control system, temperature sensors, relays, wiring, coolant circulation on applicable models, or another HVAC component. Replacing the wrong part can be an expensive mistake. That's why repair estimates for this system often surprise owners. The final bill reflects far more than the price of the replacement component. It includes specialized diagnostic procedures, high-voltage safety protocols, and the labor required to reach a part that was never designed for quick access. Fortunately, complete heater failures are relatively uncommon. More often, the system gives subtle clues that something isn't operating as it should long before the heater stops working altogether. That's exactly what we'll look at next. Before we continue, if you found this video helpful so far, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. A failing high-voltage cabin heater rarely stops working all at once. More often, the first signs are subtle and easy to mistake for normal cold weather behavior. One of the earliest symptoms is that the cabin takes noticeably longer to warm up, even with the temperature set high. If your Toyota Hybrid used to produce warm air quickly under similar conditions but no longer does, the heating system may need attention. You may also notice inconsistent heating, where the vents switch between warm and cool air without any changes to the climate control settings. This can happen if the heater can't maintain its expected output or if the hybrid control system limits its operation. In some cases, the vehicle may display a hybrid system warning or store diagnostic trouble codes related to the heating circuit. Even without a warning light, these codes can often be detected during a proper diagnostic scan. Another possible clue is the gasoline engine running more frequently in cold weather. While this can have several causes, the hybrid system may keep the engine on longer if the electric heater isn't providing enough cabin heat. The important thing is to look for consistent changes rather than isolated incidents. A single cold morning isn't cause for concern, but a gradual decline in heating performance is worth checking before it leads to a more expensive repair. Unlike engine oil or coolant, the high-voltage cabin heater has no scheduled maintenance interval. There's no filter to replace or routine service that extends its lifespan. For most owners, it simply works in the background for years without needing attention. What matters is the condition of the systems that support it. A healthy high-voltage battery, a sound electrical system, and a properly functioning HVAC system all help ensure the heater operates as intended. It's also important not to ignore changes in heating performance. If the cabin takes longer to warm up, the heat becomes inconsistent, or a hybrid warning message appears, an early diagnosis can identify whether the problem is the heater itself or another part of the climate control system. Another common misconception is that frequent heater use causes premature wear. In reality, Toyota designed the system to operate whenever cabin heat is needed, automatically regulating its output to protect itself during normal operation. The high-voltage cabin heater is a perfect example of how differently a Toyota Hybrid is engineered. Most owners never realize it's there, yet it quietly keeps the cabin comfortable while helping the hybrid system maximize efficiency. It's one of those hidden technologies that makes Toyota Hybrids feel so seamless to drive. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.